Hello friends, welcome back to Zero Math. If a plus b plus c equals 0, can you prove that the below equation equals to 1? This is incredibly interesting problem adapted from secondary education examination. If you know what are indices and what are the properties of indices, you should be able to solve this problem. To know the concept of indices, please go through our video on surds and indices. The link of the video is given in the description of this video. Well, if you know the concepts, then let's go through the solution. The fact given to us is a plus b plus c equals 0. Hence, we can safely write down the equation a is equal to minus b minus c, let's call it as equation 1, and a plus c is equal to minus b, let's call it as equation 2. Now, let's write down the LHS of the problem statement. We will try to convert the base or denominator of each fraction in left hand side to the same value. Let's call it as term 1, term 2 and term 3. And what we'll do, we will convert this term 2 and term 3 in form of term 1. The crux is how to do it. Even though it looks complicated, let's understand how we can convert term 2 and term 3 in form of term 1. Let's first convert this 1 plus x to the power b plus x to the power minus c into this term 1. So to do so, you can observe in this term we are missing this x to the power minus b. So what we'll do, we'll multiply this term by x to the power minus b. So let's see what we get. So x to the power minus b into 1 is x to the power minus b, plus it will be x to the power minus b into x to the power b. So we can write it as x to the power minus b plus b, because as per laws of indices, if you are multiplying two numbers with the same base, then add the power. Similarly, the next will be x to the power minus b into x to the power minus c. So it will be x to the power minus b minus c. Now let's simplify this. So this will be x to the power minus b plus x to the power minus b plus b. So minus b plus b would be 0, and anything to the power 0 is always 1 as per laws of indices, plus x to the power minus b minus c. So you know, as per equation 1, minus b minus c is equal to a. So we can write it as x to the power a. If I rewrite it, I can write it as 1 plus x to the power a plus x to the power minus b. So you can see we have converted this term 2 in form of term 1. Similarly, let's try to convert now this term 3 in form of term 1. So I'll write down the term 3, that is 1 plus x to the power c plus x to the power minus a. Now we will multiply this term by x to the power a. You can see this x to the power a is not there in this term. So let's multiply and see what we get. So it will be x to the power a plus x to the power a plus c. Let's add the powers, and this will be x to the power a minus a. So we can write it as x to the power a plus x to the power a plus c. A plus c is minus b. So we can write it as x to the power minus b. This is as per equation number 2. Plus x to the power a minus a. So a minus a is 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1. So if you can rewrite, we will get 1 plus x to the power a plus x to the power minus b. Now you can see we have converted this term 3 also into term 1. You can see we have multiplied this term 2, which is in denominator, by x to the power minus b to convert it to term 1. Since we have multiplied the denominator by x to the power minus b, we will multiply the numerator also by x to the power minus b. Similarly, we have multiplied this term 3, which is in denominator, by x to the power a. So let's multiply the numerator also by x to the power a. Now you can see the denominator of each term is same. Hence, we are good to add the numerator. We can simplify the left hand side as 1 plus x to the power a plus x to the power minus b over 1 plus x to the power a plus x to the power minus b. You can see the numerator and denominator both are same. Hence, result of the equation will be 1. Hence, we have proved the left hand side of the equation equals to 1. I hope friends you have enjoyed this video. If yes, please pass on your valuable comments and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.